Gonna have a Christian Amanpour moment and be like, let me tell you.
Oh, that would be amazing if you do that.
No.
Yeah, you could do that.
No. This one is directed at us too. These kids don't read anymore. Read books.
Or the news.
Read books. You don't know how many times I've spoken to a lot of junior associates and junior practitioners who do not read books. They read tweets, they read captions.
And
TikToks, but they don't read books. It is mind-blowing how people expect to improve their vocabulary and their diction if they have not read a long-form piece of content like an essay or a book. And they don't all have to be non-fiction, my goodness. Read fiction. Read Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie. She is fantastic. She will improve your language. Read James Baldwin and Toni Morrison and Zakes Da. We've got so many amazing writers. Read books. Young people who are entering PR, you cannot be a writer if you do not read. It's really that simple. You can't write if you don't read. You can't think clearly if you have not experienced the thoughts of other creative people and how clear they become on paper.